Hi, this is Alan Smith. We're in Lakeland, Florida. Before we watch Amtrak Train 92, the Silver Star, go by, I just wanted to show you something I did to my car. I put an electronic railroad crossing bell in there with a toggle switch in my car. Now I can set off my own railroad crossing bell when I'm at the railroad crossings. Let me give you a little demonstration of this and show you how I installed it. First, I took the two wires and I hooked them up to the battery, both the positive and the negative. I ran the wire up and over the bar back here, and to the front here, here's the E-bell. The E-bell is stuck in here in a container with a rag around it so no moisture gets in. And this is the speaker here. This is where you hear the sound of the ding, ding, ding when I throw the toggle switch. This is an E-bell from a railroad crossing. Then the wires go up the side of the car. They go inside the door, which I don't have a lot of mounting here done left. It's the toggle switch is right here. So now when we turn it on, you're going to hear the bell ring. And there's your bell. Woohoo, there's a train coming. Next thing I'm going to do is put a train horn if I can in this car. That'd be cool. Anyway, here comes Amtrak Train, the Silver Star.